This quick honest review is of the Nathan Power Wash laundry detergent. Let me show you. So the Nathan Power Wash, Nathan is the brand, Power Wash detergent is what is how they bill themselves. Basically it's a sport detergent used for, like if you have a lot of workout clothes. It's mainly for for activewear. It's if you got sort of mud, sweat, grime, all that sort of stuff. This is what they any odors, stains, things like that. This is what they specifically developed this laundry detergent for. It's all natural. That's what I really like about it. It's all natural. There's no fragrance either. So yeah, and it definitely seems to work really well. Just gonna zoom in here. So 64 floral ounces. It's about 1,800 milliliters. So it's a decent size. They do say it gets up to 128 loads, but that would be in a really high efficiency washing machine. But reality is probably about half that. So about 64 loads, which is quite decent. The price runs at about $26 on Amazon, so it's certainly more of a on the premium side, although not that much compared to some of the supermarket type laundry detergents. I've used it a few times now, and no complaints whatsoever. The only downside, and this is for all of the liquid laundry detergents, is that it can be a little tricky to determine how much you need per load. I wish they did have those pods, like the Tide pods, or that type. I wish they did. They had it in that, because that's certainly way more convenient. But overall, really like the product, and it also doesn't have any. There's no fragrance, so that's a big plus for me. So yeah, a little bit on the high side as far as price goes, but a great product, and definitely recommended. Thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.